Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Kakashi using an easy method. We'll start by laying down the foundational shapes. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong frame first. Use a light touch with your pencil for these initial guides, as they'll be erased later. This step is crucial for getting the overall proportions correct before adding any specific features. Now let's focus on Kakashi's distinctive face and mask. Carefully place his visible eye, ensuring it aligns with your initial guidelines. Then, draw his headband and the lower part of his mask, which covers most of his face. Don't forget to add the unique Sharingan pattern to his eye. Pay attention to the subtle folds and contours of the fabric mask. Next, we'll tackle Kakashi's signature spiky hair. Begin by sketching the general shape, making sure it flows upwards and has that characteristic volume. Think about how each spike would naturally fall. Connect the hair seamlessly to the headband, ensuring it looks like a natural part of his head. This step really brings out his recognizable silhouette. Finally, let's complete Kakashi's outfit and add some finishing touches. Sketch his Jonin vest and the details on his arms. Once the main elements are in place, you can start adding shading to give your drawing depth and dimension. Use varying line weights to make certain features stand out. Erase any remaining guidelines, and your easy Kakashi drawing is complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.